Out here you can forget about 220. You can even forget about 110. But that's not a problem for the AIM Intupulse 350 HD. At AIM, we've designed the Intupulse HD 350 battery-powered MIG welder to go anywhere with full power and full mobility. We've charged our welder on a standard 110 outlet, and now, out here in the middle of nowhere, my good friend Dave is going to show us how to weld.
Howdy, Sam.
How you doing?
Good.
Let's get to work. The Intupulse 350 HD is capable of 500 inches of weld on quarter-inch material. The biggest benefit of the machine is that you get a 350 amp welder requiring only a 110 outlet to maintain the charge of the batteries.
Check it out, Sam.
How's our welder working for you?
Make a nice smooth bead.
Yep, and no generator required.
I really like that.
Me too.
Thanks.